In this video, we're going to show how to change a tie bar guide on a Kohltech casement window. What you're going to need here is the large Robinson bit. We're going to start by opening the window up. And your tie bar guides are here. Now these may be different color on different series of windows, but they all basically come off and go on the same. You take your screws out of it. Once you've taken your screws out, you grab your tie bar and grab your guide, and it separates like so. It's off. You're going to pick up your new one and spread it back over the bar like so. Line up your screw holes. Put those back in. Careful not to over tighten them. You don't want to strip them. Just bring them up so they're snug. Make sure your tie bar is still sliding through it properly. And that's it.